Hello fans, welcome back to Suzy Cashflow. Today we are going to show you 6 websites from where you can download stock videos for free to re-upload legally and earn money on YouTube and other social media like TikTok, Facebook, etc. Everybody loves free, right? Everybody loves getting stuff for free, so today I'm going to show you how you can get free stunning videos. Yep. Let's see how you can download and then re-upload all of these incredible videos for free legally. There are many creators who have done this and now have tens of thousands of subscribers and millions of views for free. Isn't this a better way to get free money from free video clips? Please kindly like, comment, share, subscribe and hit on the notification bell as we dive further. The first thing you need to do is to understand the types of videos you're able to use. The types of videos that will fit your niche or category of your project. Then find videos that can suit the topic in part. Then stitch the videos together as you like to produce a coherent whole that fits with the narration you want to produce. We shall now show you where to find copyright-free videos to upload on YouTube. The quickest way to get copyright-free videos to upload on YouTube is to visit a stock video footage site. These stock video sites, with free videos for YouTube without copyright, have a large collection of video clips on different subjects and themes. Most of them are costly, so you would want to look at free sites that provide you with copyright-free videos to upload on YouTube. The first thing you want to do when visiting these websites is to ensure that the videos are really copyright-free. Some websites say their videos are copyright-free. Don't take their word for it. There could be hidden terms that may catch you off guard later. So, it pays to read the license terms carefully before you download and use them. Also ensure that the copyright-free videos don't come with a watermark. Avoid any watermark pictures or videos. If you wish to make money on YouTube, you should upload only original videos. YouTube views copyright violations seriously as repeated infringement may lead to termination of your channel. If you can't make original videos, then you should upload only videos that you have full permission to use. To record a video and edit before uploading can be so cumbersome. The easiest way is to use non-copyrighted videos. So what are non-copyrighted videos? These are videos released for public use. They are called royalty-free videos. They are both paid and free videos. Today we shall be looking for where to find non-copyrighted videos that are available for free only. The first website for copyright-free videos is Pixabay at pixabay.com. You can always search it out. It has a lot of free videos, pictures and music that you can use freely. Here, videographers that are passionate about enabling creators have filmed videos and uploaded them here for free use. You just switch to the video search bar and find whatever you were looking for. You should always click on videos, scroll down and look at the license first. Here you are totally free to use videos without asking for permission nor giving credit to the artist. Do a search for your preferred video subject. For example, nature. You can even filter your search by effect, category, and resolution needed. Choose the resolution and hit the download button. You can use all of these videos freely for both personal and commercial reasons without even having to credit the original videographer. 2. The second site to visit is Pexels at pexels.com. All the videographers who took these videos have uploaded them to Pexels themselves to share as a gift to the creator community, and you're allowed to use any of these videos for free. Always check at the license first before looking up for the videos. Always check what is allowed as well as what is not allowed. So what is allowed here? You are allowed to use the videos for free without providing attributes. What is not allowed? You are not allowed to sell the videos or use them improperly. You are also not allowed to redistribute or sell on other stock sites. After checking the license, you now look for videos by clicking on the Videos tab. You may check trending videos, new videos, or search for specific videos for a particular niche. You can do a search for whatever you want. Okay. Let's check for agricultural videos. Choose the one you wish to download. Hover over it to preview. Then click on Free Download to download it. Choose the video resolution, probably high definition for most of you, and download it. Well, you can now use it for free. However, as I said, Pexels is not a public domain website, but rather a royalty-free website. Which means while you can indeed use these videos for free, they do have a few minimal restrictions. You don't even need to credit the original videographer like you do with traditional Creative Commons license videos. But you can't use them unedited. Just posting the video by itself will look as if you are redistributing the video, which is not allowed. However, you can download multiple videos, arrange them, or add another element like a text on top and turn it into something new. Bingo! 3. Copyright-free videos for YouTube can also be found from Cover at coverr.co. Check it out. There are also completely free stock videos to be used anywhere. Continue to scroll down to read the license. It also mentions that you can use all the videos without permission. Wah! Good news for all YouTubers. Here also, no attribution is needed. Also read the question and answer section to get more information. Browse through the available video or search for a particle category. Click to select a video, click on Free Download, and there you have your free videos. 4. Another great place for copyright-free stock videos is Mazway at mazway.com. Never forget to scroll down the homepage to learn the license term. This is a very important step that you must always remember. The two types of free license available here are Creative Commons and Mazway. However, you must provide attribution to the author of the clip in the case of Creative Commons videos. But there is no need to provide attribution to the Mazway videos. You may also browse through the videos or do a search to find an appropriate video for your project. You can always click on the video to preview. 5. The fifth place is Mixkit. Now, Mixkit is a great website owned by Envato Elements. You can go and start searching for videos clips that you need for your projects. Few of them are advertisement stock videos owned by Envato Elements. You can identify it with the Envato watermark. Never use stock videos with watermarks. Just ignore it. Scroll down and look for videos that fit your project. Looks pretty cool. Click it once. And now on the next page, you can download the video in HD version. On the navigation bar, you can see some other categories such as some new videos, even backgrounds for your Zoom calls. You can choose the vertical format too. These days people do watch on mobile, and we've got Instagram Reels and TikTok. With Mixkit's license, you can use it for YouTube videos, social media content, music videos, educational, even commercial projects. Now, the thing you can't do with most of these is redistribute the videos that you downloaded from these websites. You also don't necessarily need to credit or attribute the website or the creator of the assets, however, it is always appreciated. 6. So now check out where you can find public domain videos. One great way to find free public domain videos is to go to Google and to find USA government websites that archive and store their videos online. For example, NASA does upload their videos as a public good for free download. There are actually quite a lot to pick from, and if you want the best videos on the NASA website, you can check on the most popular. Some of these videos contain tons of footage, like the absolutely stunning video clip footage of Earth. There are so many to choose from. They have collected and remastered the very best and most interesting historical videos that they could find and place in the public domain so that anyone can download them and use them, which is pretty cool. Lots of people are getting millions of views every day and thousands of subscribers, all from free videos. For example, the channel Space Shorts have been taking massive advantage of this public domain videos. They took a video that showed a rocket ship landing from the NASA public domain and then edited it and added in some text on top of it, and now this video has had over 12 million views. So, just get creative, spend some time editing these creative, common, and royalty-free videos. You may just go viral too, like others, and earn a bunch of money. As the cash flows in, don't always forget to go back to that generous videographer who uploaded their video for free online and donate to them if possible. I hope you are inspired by this video. There is one method that we are not going to do, and that is to download TikTok videos. Yes, it is sad, though there are some popular YouTube tutorials out there that teach the method of finding popular TikTok videos and then downloading them using a video downloader app and then re-uploading them to a different website like YouTube. I know many will be asking why we should not use them. It is simply because it is 100% illegal. Do you know that anytime any of us film or create a video, it is immediately protected? Copyright requires no registration, and so that means that only we have the rights to use it and no one else, unless we give them permission to do so. So you risk getting sued if you illegally download and re-upload TikTok videos without permission. If you must, then each clip must be less than 10 seconds, else you may not be eligible for earning money from advertisement. So please don't break copyright laws. Instead, find videos that have been placed in the public domain, like the Creative Commons and royalty-free videos. Kindly like, share, comments, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep up with updates. We hope you learned something new from this video. That was it for today. See you soon. Cheers.